This is going to be a hard video to edit. I'm going to do this one more time from the top. Hey, what is up, guys? My name is Ron. I'm the owner and operator of a mobile detailing company named RC Auto Salon. We're based out of Brick, New Jersey, and I just wanted to put this video together to kind of ease your mind and help you control the environment of your vehicle. Now, I have 4 key points. Point number 1, wash your hands. We've been told this since we've been kids, right? But you want to wash your hands before driving and after driving your vehicle. Whether that means hand sanitizer, although they're saying soap and water is best to fight this virus. But just ensure that you're washing your hands before and after driving your vehicle. Now, you also want to disinfect any non-porous items in your vehicle. The key areas that I would focus on, underneath the door handles on the exterior of the vehicle, your door panels, doorknobs, and any controls that you might have in your vehicle. Shifter knob, your steering wheel, and then either radio controls or temperature controls, things of that nature. Now, that brings me to my third point. You want to avoid any ammonia-based products. Now, you might think ammonia is a great product to clean within your house, and it does have a lot of benefits and killing bacteria capability. It's not the best for the interior of your vehicle. You want to avoid ammonia pretty much entirely on the interior of your vehicle. It could damage your touchscreens and it could damage the tint on your glass. So just avoid ammonia. Now, this brings me to my fourth point. This is equally as important, but perhaps more important. You want to limit the amount of people or passengers in your vehicle. We're told to practice social distancing. That goes with the interior of your vehicle as well. You just don't know, right? So practice social distancing even in your car, and that means limiting the number of passengers you allow in your vehicle. Now, if you do allow passengers in your vehicle, you also want to practice disinfecting their area once they exit the vehicle as well. I hope you found this video informative and helpful, and I hope you follow these steps. It will at least give you peace of mind that that area of your life is at least clean and controlled. It's all about controlling our environments the best we can, and if you follow these steps, I am confident that that area of your life will be controlled. Please like, share, comment below. I want this message to spread as far as it can, so please share it with a friend, share it with a family member, leave us a comment, leave us a like. God bless you. Stay safe out there. And for any of you that are in the market for professional interior cleaning, you could reach out to myself or any detailer. They should know the best practices. While we're on this note, there is some controversy in the industry if steam is the best solution to killing this virus. Now, steam is very effective, and it is going to kill a lot of virus and bacteria. But the best practice is steam stacked up with an ozone treatment. That's why I'm offering free ozone treatment with any service. I don't care if you're washing the exterior or the interior of your vehicle. I'm offering it for free. So please, if you're in the market, take advantage. And if not, please share, like, comment on this video. I want to help keep your environment safe, and I want to spread this message as far as we can to help each other. This is a time for coming together and sharing our knowledge. So this is Ron with RC Auto Salon, reminding you to stay blessed, stay humble, stay motivated. And times like this, it's most important to stay happy. Peace. That was it.